Part 15, 10 useful English idioms. 1. Be out of the woods. Hindi, khatre ya mushkil se bahar aana. Explanation, to be safe after a difficult situation. Example, his health improved, but he is not fully out of the woods yet. 2. Be over the moon. Hindi, bahut khush hona. Explanation, to be extremely happy. Example, she was over the moon after getting the scholarship. 3. Be set in one's ways. Hindi, apni aadaton mein adig hona. Explanation, not willing to change habits or behavior. Example, old people are often set in their ways. 4. Be shown the ropes. Kisi kaam ka tarika sikhaya jana. Explanation, to be taught how to do a job or task. Example, on the first day he was shown the ropes by his senior. 5. Be slow on the uptake. Hindi samajhne mein der karna. Explanation, taking time to understand something. Example, he is smart, but sometimes slow on the uptake. 6. Be snowed under. Hindi, bahut sare kaam se dab jana. Explanation, having too much work to handle. Example, teachers are snowed under during exam time. 7. Be someone's call. Kisi ka nirnay hona. Explanation, a decision that someone has the authority to make. Example, whether we go ahead or not is the principal's call. 8. Be still in the game. Abhi bhi daud mein hona. Still having a chance to succeed. Example, even after losing one match, they are still in the game. 9. Be tight-lipped. Hindi, chup rehna rad na kholna. Explanation, not speaking or refusing to share information. Example, he stayed tight-lipped about the plan. 10. Be up in arms. Hindi, bahut gussa or virod mein hona. Explanation, to be very angry about something. Example, students were up in arms over the sudden rule change. Subscribe for more idioms that are useful for competitive exams like CGL, IBPS PO, Clerk, SBI PO, RBI Assistant, NDA, CDS, and many more.